Alright, what's going on, guys? T-Tor is back here for another YouTube video. Alright, so in today's video we're going to be doing another install video. Big surprise. So with that being said, if you entered the subscriber giveaway, make sure that you stay tuned to the end of the video. I'll be announcing who won the subscriber giveaway for the 3K subs. That'll be at the very end of the video. Alright, so today's install video, we're going to be installing the red JDM badges for the front, the rear, and the steering wheel. So here in this envelope I have all three of the badges. This was something that I wanted to do to my 9th gen, and I never got around to doing it before I sold it. So I'm going to take advantage of this opportunity, and I'm going to do it on my 10th gen. So let's get to the install. Alright, so let's take a look and see what we got inside the package. I got this off eBay, so not really a big eBay user or buyer, but all right, that's all that came inside here. And then we also got some Honda valve stem covers. So I'm guessing this is gonna be the rear red H. Take a look at that. And then I'm guessing this is the front H. And then we also got the badge that goes on the steering wheel. Now I got all three of these items. I think it was about 55 or 60 bucks with free shipping. So it's not too terribly bad. So in today's video, like I said, we're gonna do a debadging. I'm gonna show you guys how to debadge your car and how to replace these badges, how to do your steering wheel badge, and I'm probably not gonna use those at all. But I am super excited to see what these badges are going to look like, especially with already having the black background. I think that is going to look, I think that's going to look pretty awesome. And I think this one may be the back. So that's kind of an idea what the back is going to look like. I think it's going to look pretty awesome. So just keep in mind, I've been told by other people that these badges, they have pins in the back of them, so there's no need, to get a heating gun and fishing line. We're just gonna take a flathead screwdriver and kind of just pry the H off. And if the H ends up breaking, don't worry about it, because obviously you're replacing the two H's with new ones. So let's get to debadging the Honda. All right, so here's a nice shot, nice little close-up of what the badge looks like outside the plastic. Now, this does have a 3M sticky back with the two tabs that we're gonna put the front of the badge on with. So here, like I said, here's a nice little close-up. And if you guys are wanting to see what the package numbers are, here's what they are. See if it'll focus on this. I don't think it is, but yeah, that's what it is. It says it's genuine Honda Motor Company, made in Japan. So next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take a screwdriver and we're gonna pry, somewhere along here in the H, or we may even get on the top around here and stuff, but I'm gonna show you all that. All right, now keep in mind, I've never done this before, so everything you see is real. So we're gonna take this, kind of pry this along the side here. Pry it some more. I don't really wanna score the black, so. Okay, it's coming loose. Just kind of take it, work around the edges. Okay, as you can see, the H is getting loose. Let's keep on prying it. Let's try to get back in between here. Oh, just cracked that spot. That's okay though. I do kind of want to salvage these, but I don't know if that's going to be possible. Alrighty, that's no bueno. That just kind of broke out. So there you have it. I didn't want to, but I completely broke my H badge, but that's okay. So then this one will sit right in there. And there's no more plastic right in there, so let me see if I can get you guys just a straightforward little shot. So that's what it looks like. See, this should be able to just go. That's gonna go temporarily. So that's what it's gonna look like. I don't have any of the 3M tape peeled off or the tabs, but that was super simple. Like I said, I ended up breaking my H off. I didn't really want to because I wanted to save them, but oh well, so that is what it is. So now we're gonna peel the 3M sticky off of this, and we're gonna make sure we line up the 2 holes and press the badge on. Alrighty, so let's get this red tape, this red 3M off. Okay, so now that you got that off, make sure you get your holes nice and lined up. Apply some good pressure. I'm gonna hold mine on there for about 20 to 30 seconds. Like I said, I really wish I would not have broke my my Honda emblem, but that's okay. Maybe we can salvage the rear. Push on that, make sure it's nice and tight. There we go. Man, I think that looks 1,000 times better. Check that out. I think that looks good. I like the way it accents the nice black grille and the red SI badge. So, yep, so all I did was take a flathead screwdriver, broke that Honda badge all to hell, but that's all right. That's what the front now looks like. Might have took 5 minutes, so I'm sure some of you guys have already done this and you either A, broke your badge or you were successfully able to get the clips out from back. So now let's move to the rear of the car and let's get that badge taken off. All right, here we go. So here's what the badge looks like outside the plastic. Once again, you have your nice 2 little tabs, 1, 2, and then you have your 3M sticky back film. So let's see if we can successfully pry this one off without actually damaging the badge. But I don't think we're gonna be successful. Nope. Oh well. We'll just take it. All right, so this one was actually glued on. Here's the tabs right there. Got that tab out. Got that tab out. All right, so the next thing that we're gonna do is, you see all this glue residue that's left on here? We're gonna go ahead and clean that up real quick. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take my heat gun and we're gonna heat up where the glue is still left on at. Get as close as to the residue as you can. Kind of work it in a back and forth motion like you see me doing here. Let's see how we did here. And like I said, I just got some quick detailing wax and a microfiber cloth. We'll spray this a couple times and then see if we can remove this stuff. All right, it's coming off little by little. It may even be better just take your fingernail and run along the line of it. Yeah, it's coming off. All right, so I mean, that looks pretty good to me. There's really not much residue left on here. So yeah, that was that. I guess I just didn't have patience to not to try and break it. So let's go ahead and just test fit this up here. Oh, and one other thing that I want to mention to you guys is whenever you are ordering your badges off of eBay, you're going to need to measure how long it is, because it's all going to be in metrics. I don't remember what my measurements were. I think it was like 116 millimeters by something like that, but I'll do my best to put that all in the descriptions of the exact same ones that I bought, because I know they vary for the sedan, the hatchback, and the coupe. So make sure whenever you're going and buying these badges that you're looking at the description. I had a good friend of mine, Anthony, he told me to make sure you look in the description, because you know, all the measurements, they're not gonna be in inches, they're gonna be in millimeters. So that's what I did. Went out here, measured it, and the measurements lined up perfect for the sedan on what he was selling. So I went ahead and bought those. All right, so let's go ahead and let's go ahead and peel this thing off and get her stuck on there. This was a lot easier. This is a lot easier than what I thought it was going to be. So got everything peeled off. Got our 2 tabs. We're going to take it, place it in here, and then go ahead and just press that on there. Like I said, apply some pressure on here for about 20 to 30 seconds. All right, so I just now finished applying pressure to it. Like I said, that was about anywhere from 30 seconds to a minute. And yeah, so now I'll take you guys off the tripod. Let's see what she looks like. So that's what the badge looks like. Man, I think that looks good. Let's take a walk around and look and see what the front looks like with the natural sunlight on here. Or natural daylight, I should say. Man, I think that looks pretty good. Check that out. Come on, focus. Boom. And then of course, can't forget about that nice, beautiful PRL intercooler we just put in. All right, so that's what the front badge looks like. We'll do a once more look at the back. Okay, so this is what the back looks like. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and do the steering wheel. I think the steering wheel badge we actually get to leave on, and I think this is just gonna be like an overlay. So yeah, as it turns out, this is just an overlay that sits pretty flush with this. Now this is gonna be pretty hard to demonstrate, but anyways, here's the 3M sticky back. We're gonna peel that off and we're gonna stick it onto the steering wheel. So I'll catch back up with you guys in just a second once I get done sticking this back to there, because I can't stick this and hold the camera. All right, so I guess I'm going to try this. I bet the horn goes off. Get that nice. Make sure everything looks nice and crisp, nice and in the center. Go ahead and apply just a little bit of pressure. Try not to honk the horn, but I'm gonna do it on purpose. I think the horns on these cars are so weak. I think it's hilarious. Oh, I didn't even mean to do that one. All right, so there you have it. There is the red Honda badge for the steering wheel. Looking nice. Everything fits in there nice and perfect. Can't even tell that there's a badge behind it, to be honest with you. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video, so let's just do a recap real quick. So what we did, we installed the red JDM badges, Type R badges if you want to call them that. We did the front, the rear, and the steering wheel, so let's take a walk around and look at our work real quick. Alright, so here is the front. Here's what the front badge looks like. I think it looks freaking amazing, if you ask me. I like the way, like I said, it complements the black grille, the red SI emblem, and of course it looks good along with my PRL intercooler. Okay, let's jump into the cab of the car real quick. And here's where the steering wheel went. Now this one, like I said, this is just an overlay. Looks super good. It sits flush. It sits flush with the steering wheel, so no issue there. Yeah, that one looks really good. And then the back, here's the back one. Back one also looks super good. I think the red and chrome badges look good on this white car especially. I don't know why, but like I said, I've been wanting to do this since I had my 9th gen car, and I don't know why I didn't do it, but yeah, here's some natural daylight looking at the car. Looks freaking awesome. So I just want to give a big shout out to you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure you leave this video a like. If you're stopping into the channel for the first time, please hit that subscribe button. And hang on, we're almost done. We are about to announce the giveaway winner, so maybe one of you guys from my last video, if you entered, I'll be checking all the requirements that I mentioned. So if you guys qualify for that and you guys made it and your name gets selected, I'll be contacting you either Facebook, DM, or Instagram, or better yet, I'll have you contact me. So let's get to the giveaway. All right, what's going on, guys? So if you made it this far in the video, then you obviously want to know if you won the subscriber giveaway. It is now Monday. This video is going live this Wednesday. So Yeah, the video did good. We have over 100 comments. I have the video pulled up now, and I have a YouTube random generator comment picker. So let's see who won the subscriber giveaway. Alright, so I have the video pulled up. We're going to go over here. We're going to get the URL for the video. We're going to go over here to the random comment picker. We're going to paste the URL in. Hit that button. We have 56 random comments that were entered. So we'll hit start and let's see who won. Bane Tegra 559, you won. Congratulations to Bane Tegra 559. You have won the subscriber giveaway. Make sure you contact me. If you have Instagram, please DM me and we'll get your goodies sent out to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Better luck in the next subscriber giveaway. We'll do one, let's say 5K subscriber giveaway. Thank you guys once again so much for watching. Peace.
Okay, it's rap pack to my pulse flat. We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cars and they all black. Got 4 bras and they all that. We call that ballin'.